Hi, welcome back to Binkerbelle's Yarning. Today is Monday, August 26th, and it's Manic Monday. So there isn't a whole lot today. I do have 4 unclaimed giveaways. So they've had more than enough time to claim them, so we're going to give them away again. So I have this set. That's the crochet hook keychain and some stitch markers and some yarn needles. So there's one of those. And then we have the Candy Skull origami Emmys with the hook. Okay, so there's 3 of those. And what we're going to do is I'm going to give you 1 week. So next Manic Monday, I'm going to have a draw for them. Now, you need to put in the comments, if you want to enter, either Candy Skull or keychain. So you can enter more than once. So you can enter 1 Candy Skull and 1 keychain. Those are keywords because when I do the random comment picker, I can put in comments that require a specific keyword, and it'll divide out who puts what keywords in there. So if you don't have either Candy Skull or keychain, then you don't qualify. The random comment picker will skip over you. So there's that. I am waiting on new yarn for another Darn Good Yarn pattern, and I will do an unboxing and a review for that. Coming up on Friday, for Fiber Friday, we're taking a look at a shop that's actually in St. John's, Newfoundland, and that is called Cast On, Cast Off. So you'll see a quick little teaser at the end. Other than that, we have tomorrow is Tutorial Tuesday, and the Gray Heron giveaway ends. So if you go to Where to Buy Yarn Gray Heron, I'll put that in the description so that you can click on that and go right to the video. So you have time still to do that. I'm going to turn off the comments tomorrow and pick a winner for it. So there's that. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm going to be posting some links to some of the products that I have been showing you guys on my various videos, so that if you want to take a look at them and get them for yourself, you can just click on the links that are in the description and they'll take you right to Amazon and you can pick them up for yourself. So that's everything that I have purchased from Amazon. I will put in the links. Okay, so that's it for Manic Monday for today. All right, see you tomorrow.